just going to cover some of the driver monitoring alarms in this video. So I'll just be driving along and you'll be able to see what happens when certain things happen. So obviously this camera here is recording the driver, and it's going to use its computer processing power in here to use the AI to pick up certain things. These can be changed. We can adjust the software, and we can change the voice commands. So just a video showing the alarms and what happens. So what normally happens is you hop in the car, the unit will power up. Then what it'll do is it'll detect your face. It'll log you in. So it can pick up this face is linked to a certain profile. It'll come in and pick that up, and then you'll see what will happen is it will pick certain things up here. So a bunch of
begin to log in. Login success.
So you see it's logged in now. So normally, but it's about 10 seconds to log in, and that is what will happen. So you'll see different alarms will happen as we drive. So for example, if I didn't put my seatbelt on, it would have picked up a seatbelt alarm then.
Abnormal driving attitude.
And you can see that alarms probably isn't quite correct, and that's when you can adjust the sensitivity in the alarms, as I have my head probably not where it should be, and the camera picks that up. So for example,
please don't use cell phone.
Picked up my cell phone, try to make a call, it gives a warning. Another example could be fatigue.
Please concentrate on driving.
It's picked up that I've yawned. So these alarms can be changed, the sensitivity of them, and when they come on at certain speeds. And distraction,
abnormal driving attitude,
looking away from straight ahead, can be changed as well. And you can set the face angle when that alarm comes on.
Abnormal driving attitude.
So what normally happens is you put this in your car, and we can set it up and tune it a bit, and you just use the app on your phone to tune these alarms.
Abnormal driving attitude.
And get them where they should be. And then if there's extra alarms you want, or you want to change the voice or the alarm that happens, that's different things that we can add as well. And that will be a software change, and that's something that we can add into the system. But normally you install the unit and you just use the app to adjust these to suit the normal driving conditions, and depending how you're using the system, or what speed you want certain alarms to come on and whatnot.
Please concentrate on driving.
Again, a yawn. That's how that sort of happens.
Please don't use cell phone.
Cell phone. Your main alarms are distractions, so not facing straight.
Abnormal driving attitude.
There you go. Cell phone. You can have a smoking alarm. There's a seatbelt alarm. There is an alarm for if you're covering up the camera. There's an alarm for fatigue, obviously head tilt. So those are your main alarms. If you want to add extra ones to it, we can add extra ones to it. That isn't a problem at all. But it was just a little video to show you how it picks up the alarms and what it does. So yeah, I'm just gonna cover up. So obviously. Channel 1 is the front-facing camera, and channel 2 is the driver-facing camera. So you can obviously have your lane departure, car in front of you, a Cetra alarms, that's ADAS. Then your driver monitoring system, DMS. So it's telling me no seatbelt at the moment. So I'll just turn that off so I don't have to have that. So basically, once you put the unit in, here it is installed. You can calibrate these DMS alarms on your phone in the app. So basically, you have fatigue. That is basically your head tilt. So if your head tilts down, it's gonna alarm you. You can set what speed it comes on, how often it comes up, the interval between it. Obviously that's the angle your head is, and the duration they have to be down before it alarms. Distraction is your head going left or right. Again, all the same things, but you have angle to the left or right. Seatbelt, which I just turned off, exact same thing. So it would only warn me every 10 seconds. Would check again. Still no seatbelt. Etc. It's picking up the cameras in front of me now. So calling is the same thing. So that's if you have a phone, you can have the smoking alarm. No driver, so this if there's no driver in the seat. Sunglasses, that's pretty much going to be off pretty much for everyone all the time, because we use sunglasses. Yawn's going to pick up if you yawn. Again, they'll be linked to fatigue. Shouters is if you block the camera. No mask, that's irrelevant now. But those are the standard alarms, and you can calibrate them how you need from the app to the device. If there's extra alarms you need, or you want to change the voice prompts, that's something we can customize in the software, and we can sort that out for you. But that's basically I've shown you how the alarm works, and how you set them up for the DMS system. So that's your driver monitoring system.